Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add music to your Canva videos with an easy step-by-step approach, whether you're creating a vlog, a promo video, or just a fun clip. Adding the right music can completely transform your video. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to make your videos sound as good as they look. First, start by opening your video project in Canva. Make sure your video clips are ready because we're about to bring them to life with some audio. Next, head over to the left-hand menu and click on the Apps or Elements tab. From there, select Audio. This will open Canva's extensive library of stock music and sound effects. Here you'll find everything from upbeat pop tracks to calm, cinematic background music. Now comes the fun part: browsing and previewing tracks. Simply click on any track to listen to it, and you can use the filters to narrow down your options by genre, mood, or whether the track is free or pro. This makes it super easy to find music that perfectly matches the vibe of your video. Once you've found the perfect track, just drag and drop it onto your timeline at the bottom of the video editor. You can adjust where it starts, trim the track, or even layer multiple audio clips for a professional touch. And if you need, you can tweak the volume to make sure your music doesn't overpower your voiceover or main content. And that's it. Adding music in Canva is simple, quick, and opens up so many creative possibilities for your videos. With the right soundtrack, your content can go from ordinary to unforgettable. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to try it out in your next video project. Your videos deserve to sound as amazing as they look.